In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to create an AI tool in under 5 minutes without any tech skills or any API keys. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, in order for you to create an AI tool, the first thing you need to do is get onto a website called freeaikit.com. Link is in my description. Click on the link, get onto the website here and sign up for absolutely free of cost. After you sign up, the next thing to do is log in, and this is going to be the homepage or the dashboard, whatever you want to call it. You scroll down and you could see here that there are a lot of features on this website. You could even check for top tools created by this website. But if you just want to create an AI tool fast, click on build your custom tool. You're going to be directed to this page and you are going to get to the playground on which you could select an icon. You could get to Canva, create one for free. Click on create a design, click on custom size. Maybe you could put in 100 by 100 pixels. Click on create a new design and get directed to this page. You could just type in, say for instance, you want to create an AI tool related to creating attractive YouTube titles. So you could just type in YouTube and look for maybe YouTube logos. Click on see all, and then you click on maybe this logo out here or this element, and you just stretch it out, and once you're done, click on share. This is totally free. You don't have to pay anything to Canva to create such logos or icons. Okay, click on download, click on transparent, compress, click on download. This gets downloaded to your computer system for absolutely free again. Now get back to the website and you click on choose an icon for your tool. So here you are selecting an icon. Okay, so you upload the icon. Here also for social media sharing, you could upload the icon. So here you have to put a name for your tool. So you could just maybe put in YouTube custom thumbnail creator. You could put the meta title as the same subheading, create YouTube custom thumbnail that are attractive. And the next thing is you have an option to get a unique website URL. So if you make this public, you are going to get a website URL once your project is approved by the administrator within 14 days. So for now, I suggest you go ahead and keep it to private. Once this is approved, I'm sure you are going to get a URL. Once you get your URL, you could log in and you could just uncheck this to view or see your URL out here. In the meta description, you could give anything, whatever you want. You could give an explanation about your tool that you are creating. Give a description again. You should select multiple tags out here from the drop down. Okay, so SEO, marketing, tech, whatever it is available, select everything so that it comes up to this box. The next thing is you have to select the model. You click on this drop down option, you get GPT 3.5, which is actually running Chat GPT right now. And then you go ahead and select a template, keep it to one input, and you are going to get a pop-up like this. Here you could scroll down and you have to put in a prompt out here. So this is your tool prompt. You just copy this till here and you paste it in the tool prompt box. Ensure that there are no spaces out here. This is very important. So if you want, you could pause the video, understand what I'm trying to say, and then you could just copy the same thing. You could maybe edit this sentence out here. You could just copy this part of the meta title, scroll down, and you could just paste it out here. Okay, so generate YouTube custom thumbnail for, and then whatever the user is going to put in as a topic. Maybe he's putting in a topic for marketing online or sales and marketing, or how to promote CPA offers, or how to do something. Next, you go ahead and input a label. You could just put in video title. Okay, after you put in video title, you click on select, and then you could check a preview of your tool. This is how your tool is going to look after it is approved by the administrator. So you have to basically wait for this to be approved. Once it is approved, you are going to get a notification in your email from the admin for freeaikit.com. In the meantime, just think about more ideas about creating more tools so that you could earn money with maybe YouTube or maybe Google ads and stuffs like that. So I hope this makes sense and you got some value out of my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.